Looking for a powerful and reliable semi-automatic welding machine that fits your needs? Whether you're working in a professional setting or on a DIY project, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best semi-automatic welding machines that deliver performance, versatility, and durability. Let's jump right in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Hizone MIG-140 semi-automatic welding machine. The Hizone MIG-140 semi-automatic welding machine stands out as a versatile and efficient tool designed to meet a broad spectrum of welding requirements. Combining 6 different welding methods into a single integrated machine, it caters to diverse applications, whether in professional construction settings or home DIY projects. This multifunctionality allows users to switch effortlessly between various welding tasks without needing multiple machines. One of the defining features of the Hizone MIG-140 is its ultra-lightweight and portable design. Its compact size paired with a convenient handle makes it easy to transport, offering great flexibility for welders who need to move between different job sites or workspaces. This portability ensures that the machine is not only powerful but also highly user-friendly. At the heart of its operation is advanced IGBT technology, which facilitates intelligent collaborative control. Users simply adjust the current intensity or choose wire thickness, and the machine automatically calibrates the optimal voltage and wire feeding speed. This automation simplifies the welding process, making it accessible even for those who may not have extensive technical expertise, while maintaining professional quality results. Durability and reliability are key components of the Hizone MIG-140. The machine includes multiple protection mechanisms such as overload and overheating safeguards that prevent damage during prolonged use or heavy workloads. These protections ensure stable operation and contribute to a longer service life, providing users with confidence in its performance over time. Additionally, the use of IGBT inverter technology guarantees stable arc performance. This results in a reduction of splattering and welding defects, enhancing the overall quality and appearance of welds. Such precision and stability make the Hizone MIG-140 an excellent choice for welders seeking professional results with consistent performance. Coming in at number 4, the AWT MIG-250 semi-automatic welding machine. The AWT MIG-250 semi-automatic welding machine is a highly versatile 8-in-1 multi-process welder designed to meet a wide range of welding needs. This all-in-one machine supports various welding methods, including gasless flux core, gas MIG, gas MAG, stick/MMA, lift TIG, spot welding, aluminum MIG welding, and spool gun capabilities, making it suitable for diverse applications from DIY projects to professional work. Equipped with both MIG synergic control and MIG manual control modes, the machine offers flexibility for users of all skill levels. In synergic mode, the wire feed speed and voltage automatically adjust based on wire diameter, material, and gas type, simplifying setup. Meanwhile, manual mode allows experienced welders to fine-tune the current to their preferences, enhancing control and precision. The user-friendly design includes a large LCD digital display that clearly shows settings without requiring welders to remove their helmets. The machine also features diamond core technology, which ensures smooth, spatter-free arc starts by automatically slowing the wire feed before arc initiation, with adjustable speeds to fit different welding demands. Durability and performance are emphasized with an industrial cast aluminum wire drive system featuring dual gear-driven rolls for consistent and positive wire traction. The AWT MIG-250's inverter technology contributes to its portability, as the entire unit weighs less than 35 pounds, making it easy to transport between job sites. Additional MMA functions such as built-in VRD, voltage reduction device, hot start, arc force, and anti-stick capabilities allow for fine adjustments to optimize welding performance. The machine also includes a fan-on-demand cooling system that operates only when necessary, reducing noise, energy consumption, and contamination inside the unit. Overall, the AWT MIG-200 semi-automatic welding machine combines advanced technology with practical features, making it a reliable and adaptable choice for welders seeking a multifunctional and portable solution. At number 3, we have the Hzxvogen MIG-185 semi-automatic welding machine. The Hzxvogen MIG-185 semi-automatic welding machine is a versatile and user-friendly tool designed to meet a variety of welding needs. Featuring a bright color LED panel, it simplifies the process of adjusting settings, allowing welders to select their desired welding mode easily with the selection button. This machine is engineered to deliver reliable performance across multiple welding techniques. The MIG function supports gas, mixed gas, and gasless welding, making it adaptable to different work environments. Compatible with 0.8 mm and 1.0 mm solid and flux cord wires, it effectively welds materials ranging from 1 mm to 8 mm in thickness. The machine automatically matches wire speed and output voltage by adjusting the current, resulting in minimal splatter, a deep weld pool, and smooth wire feeding, which contributes to creating clean and attractive weld seams. For TIG welding, the MIG-185 offers a lift TIG function compatible with 1.6 mm and 2.4 mm tungsten electrodes, suitable for welding stainless steel, iron plate, and carbon steel with thicknesses from 1 mm to 6 mm. It is important to note that the WP17V TIG torch required for this function is not included in the package. The MMA welding mode operates within a current range of 22 to 200 amps and accommodates electrodes of 2.5 mm, 3.2 mm, and 4.0 mm. This mode is capable of welding plates with thicknesses from 2 mm up to 12 mm. The MMA function is designed for easy arc striking, minimal spatter, and stable current, offering strong performance for various welding applications. This gasless MIG welder comes with a 1-year warranty for added peace of mind. While the machine panel displays SIM and SIG indicators for dual pulse functionality, these features are not present on the MIG-185 and can be disregarded. Overall, the Hzxvogen MIG-185 combines multiple welding functions into a single, efficient unit, making it a practical choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. Next up at number 2 is the Andeli MIG-250 semi-automatic welding machine. The Andeli MIG-250 semi-automatic welding machine stands out as a versatile and efficient tool designed to simplify the welding process. One of its most notable features is its ability to operate without the need for a gas cylinder, making it more convenient and practical for a variety of welding environments. This eliminates the hassle and expense of managing gas supplies, allowing welders to focus more on their work and less on equipment logistics. Equipped with a clear LED display screen, the MIG-250 offers a larger and more intuitive interface for setting and monitoring welding parameters. The multifunctional switch enhances user control, while the graphical interactive interface makes operating the machine straightforward even for users who may be less experienced. This thoughtful design contributes to a smoother workflow and increased productivity on the job. Another advanced feature of the Andeli MIG-250 is its lift TIG capability with lift arc ignition. This technology allows the arc to be started simply by touching the tungsten electrode to the workpiece and then lifting it off. Unlike traditional TIG welding, the arc initiation is independent of the torch switch, offering better control and reducing the chances of contamination or damage to the electrode. This feature is particularly beneficial for precision welding tasks where starting the arc cleanly is essential. Overall, The Andeli MIG-250 is engineered to combine ease of use with professional-grade functionality. Its design and features reflect a focus on improving efficiency and user experience, making it a reliable choice for both hobbyists and professionals engaged in various welding projects. Finally, at number 1, we have the Hitbox HIM250 semi-automatic welding machine. The Hitbox HIM250 semi-automatic welding machine represents a significant advancement in welding technology, designed to deliver professional-grade performance with ease and efficiency. At its core, this welder features a high-integration MCU, which plays a crucial role in ensuring stable and consistent welding results. This sophisticated control system manages the welding process with precision, minimizing errors and enhancing the overall quality of the welds. One of the standout features of the HIM250 is its capability as an aluminum MIG welder equipped with double pulse technology. This advanced function allows welders to achieve clean, smooth welds on aluminum materials, which are typically challenging to work with. The double pulse technique improves weld appearance and structural integrity, making it ideal for professional applications requiring high standards. Durability and safety have been prioritized in the design of this welding machine. The incorporation of a premium fan system helps maintain optimal operating temperatures, preventing overheating and ensuring longevity even under heavy use. The robust construction of the HIM250 is engineered to withstand demanding work environments, offering reliability day after day. The 4.3-inch high clear LED screen is another key feature that enhances usability. Its bright and clear display provides excellent visibility even in outdoor settings where lighting conditions can be challenging. This visual clarity allows welders to monitor and adjust settings with confidence, contributing to more precise work. Furthermore, the machine boasts a smooth wire feeding mechanism supported by a quality wire feeder system. This ensures steady wire delivery during welding, reducing interruptions and maintaining consistent arc stability. The seamless wire feed contributes to the overall smoothness and efficiency of the welding process.